What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted, man. I think it's almost going on 2 weeks since I put out a video, but I'm dropping this one here. Black Friday has passed, coming into the holiday season, man. I'm hoping everybody got what they was looking for, or at least on some of those quick, steals and deals. A lot of places, well, it's Black Friday. You already know. Pretty much every retail store is dropping some kind of deal. HatClub, of course, had deals coming down the pipe, discount codes coming down the pipe, and they actually started their new membership club, actually effectively called The Club, where you start out in starter tiers and you can go up to a main member tier where, you get applicable discounts, a chance to win certain things if you stay within certain tiers of spending, of course. Me personally, I know just seeing, a lot of things online, a lot of hat groups I'm in and this type of thing. A lot of people, you could choose to keep the OG membership where, you get the 20%, or you can choose to go with the new membership where you just stay within certain tiers. And, along the way of staying in the certain tiers, you're open to get certain things before everybody else because you're an exclusive member. Me personally, I chose to go with the new membership instead of the OG membership. Really, it wasn't really a big deal or a big change to me. Because, 20% is 20%, but if you're going to buy a hat, you're going to buy a hat. So trust me, if I'm going to buy a hat, 20% here or there is not going to stop me from buying it anyway. So I chose to go with the new membership. So with all that being said, again, getting into the video, we're here for this, speak of the devil. So got 2 new pickups that I was able to pick up. I actually have another one on the way. This one I actually picked up just a little before Black Friday. I still caught the deals. They had a lot of things in their clearance section drop. Some things as low as like $15. So I went in there and picked up a lot of things that not a lot. I picked up 2 things that I actually missed out on, but those 2 things that I missed out on, they actually got them back in my size. So, at $15, that was crazy not to jump on them real quick. And actually one of them, once I get into the unboxing, is one that I actually had a lot of requests on, was I going to pick it up? And I finally did decide to pick it up because they actually had it in my size at that time. Surprisingly, it sold, well, size 8s, anybody knows if you wear size 8 fitted, they sell out pretty quick because even if people aren't generally a size 8, you have a lot of people, if you have a lot of hair, dress, things like that, they'll buy a size 8 so their hat fits right. So size 8s go quick for even if you're not a generally, actual size 8 wearer. So, but again, with that being said, we're going to get into this pickup, man. We got 2 from the club. We're going to get into that, man. So stay tuned. Let's jump into it. All right, like I said, we're going to jump into this unboxing really quick. Caught 2 just before the Black Friday sale, or at least maybe I want to say a day before Black Friday sale. But yeah, actually, I keep looking over here because my laptop is actually right down here, just out of your view. And I'm actually on the website right now. Like I said, man, they still got a lot of little winners on there. I actually ordered something already, not just now, but already. It should be on the way, so look out for that video. I'm actually really, and shout out to my boy Luis at HatClub, man. Anybody knows when you call HatClub, chances are you're gonna get him. He looked out for me on this one, definitely, man. I actually ordered it through him over the phone because it wasn't even on the site no more. But shout out to him. He found it to me in one of their stores, so I got that on the way. Been waiting on it. He knows I've been waiting on it, so shout out for you. Hopefully you get to see this video. But with that being said, let's get into the pickups right now because I've been definitely waiting on these 2. And like I said, it's not open yet. Waiting to see them live in hand. But I have plans for these pickups actually also because, like any other hat person, because I'm also a shoe person too, a lot of your hats and your pickups go into what kind of kicks you have, or at least they do for me. One thing with me, if I'm going to invest in a hat, like I said, I'm never going to buy anything just because it's a new release. It has to fit into my fold, and it definitely has to fit into my shoes because to me, how most people say, oh, they shop from the top down or for the bottom up, as far as pants get. For me, I'm a different type of cat. My stuff, it starts with my hat and it starts with my kicks. Everything else is going to fit in around that. But like I said, that's just me. So Okay, we got your receipt in here. Well, one of them came with a hat pin on it anyway. Well, I guess this was an exclusive. But with that being said, the first one, as you see with the maroon color, is the magician hat. This one, plain and simple, flat out, I got it because of this logo. That is crazy detail on that thing, man. Look at that. Now, I don't know, I'm gonna call him Morty the Magician. I don't know who it is, but I love the look on it. Look at that, that's crazy right now. You got your HatClub exclusive pin. You got your logo on the back with that M right there. I'm definitely loving that too. I didn't even see this logo on the back when I ordered it because I was just so actually happy that they had just had it in my size. And you got that New Era flag that's blended in with that kind of maroonish look. Now, this one, I had an idea which shoe I was gonna wear this with, but like, since it's kind of to me, it's more of a burgundy-ish look with kind of like with a tan and a black outline. At first, me personally, I was gonna go with my crazy 8s. I have some crazy 8s. I actually pulled them out. Now, if you see the color on these are kind of like a two-tone almost actually, because they're kind of a black and a red. This one's more of a darker burgundy, so I'm definitely gonna have to go with a different look. Don't think the crazy 8s are gonna go with that, because I'm gonna wanna go with something that has more of a burgundy-ish look to it. You know what I mean? Now, I have a couple of shoes that'll go with it, actually more on a casual kick that might go with these, so it still might work. You know what I mean? Because I want to keep something true to the burgundy. And now that I'm getting a look at this outline, I want to make sure it's something that matches out to the outline at the same time too. So that actually still kind of works out, but I'm loving this burgundy, and more than anything, I'm loving this logo. This is definitely, I'm gonna have to put it in the top 10, just logos alone. Not just, you know, talking about overall hat, just logos. And if you heard me talking on videos, I'm big on logos. This is definitely gonna have to go in the top 10 of those. You know what I mean? Just off top. And then you got the under. Another thing I like, you got the gray bill. Burgundy and gray, definitely a lock with me when it goes. You got that size 8, you got that underlayment. And like I said, you got your exclusive HatClub pin. So like I said, here you go with your magician hat. Definitely didn't let me down on that look. Shout out to them for definitely getting this back. You know, maybe it was returning something, I don't know. I'm glad it's in my collection. Now, with this next release, I already know what kicks is gonna go with these, because I am gonna wear it. I remember I said before, if you heard me speak about this actual same hat, I said it was one of those that, you know, sometimes you just want it for the collection because, you know, you might not wear it, or it might be just hard to put with something, or whatever the case is. But after seeing it again, and then I had a lot of people asking me, was I gonna review it? I mean, now that I'm actually seeing it in the box in hand, yeah, this definitely gonna get somewhere, and I got the perfect kicks to go with it. But with that, let's get into it. Rally hat. Of course, I got the Dodgers one. I'm a Cali dude. Of course, I'm gonna get a Dodgers one. So, but yeah, you got your rally cap here. And this, I mean, it goes to the bare authentic of it actually being an inside out hat. You got your New Era flag on the side of there. I love how they did that. They still stuck that Nero iron side of there, being that it was inside out. But I mean, to me, in hand, a whole lot better than I thought it was gonna be. And I definitely like how they still threw that LA on the outside of it. You got your size 8. Now, most people will say they probably wouldn't think to wear it. Me, I'm definitely gonna get some wear out of it. One thing I do love too that they still did, they still put the logo right here for the MLB. And then if you look, they still got the LA under it, which I think that's definitely still pretty dope. Which almost kind of makes it like if you wanted to fold it the other way, you could, but then your build would look kind of crazy. So, but yeah, you got your size 8 on there. Got your relaxed heritage fit. But yeah, this right here, no brainer. The kick I'm going with, your classic questions, your Allen Iversons, man. Now, I know they did a re-release on these with one blue and one red toe. Nah, bump all that. We going with the original, both blue toe questions. Now, you look at that right there with that white. You got that hook. Come on, man. You can't beat that. This right here, gonna make this right here pop, and this one gonna work off of this one right here. So without question, trust and believe me, for people saying they just want to keep this in the collection like I did at first, to me, this is definitely gonna get some run, man. And I'm not disappointed that I got it. And I don't know why I'm liking this silver, this build button on top of there. I'm definitely feeling that. I like the way it came out, man. Just a personal opinion, but it's definitely gonna get some run for me. I'm definitely gonna rock it, and I'm definitely gonna rock it with them kicks, and I'm gonna make it look good when I do it. I might keep it classic California, you know what I'm saying? Some 501s and the white tee, throw it on with the shoes, throw it on with the hat, just make it look all the way Cali, you know what I mean? But definitely, like I said, not disappointed that I picked these up. That's the 2 pickups. Shout out to HatClub, man. Got that magician hat, got that rally cap Dodger go. Like I said again, definitely stay tuned. Next week, I can't wait to get this one in hand because like I said, I had to actually go make a phone call on this one and it fell through for your boy that it's actually going to fall in my lap. So shout out to HatClub for that one on the save. Shout out on getting these back in the size 8 that I was able to cop. And I'm going to holler at y'all on the next one, man. Let me know what y'all think down below. Let me know what y'all think about the rally cap, man, because I know it was some people leaning one way on the fence and some people leaning on the other. Definitely want to hear what y'all got to say. So this your boy, Shawn.Stay.Fitted, man. Got the magician. We got the rally cap, man. Let me know what y'all think. You always know I'm listening. So holla at your boy, man. I'm going to see y'all on the next one. I'm gone.